Hello, hope you're doing good. In this video, I will be showing you how to add pop-up newsletter on Shopify. The first thing you want to do once on your Shopify admin page, you're going to go over to the left-hand menu option and you're going to tap on apps. After selecting apps, I want you to tap on app and sales channel settings. From here, you're going to tap on Shopify App Store. Once on the App Store, I want you to tap on the search bar at the top of the page and you are going to type in pop-up. After selecting pop-up, you will be redirected to a new page. And the pop-up that we'll be using for this example is e-com send pop-ups and email pop-ups. After tapping on it, you can tap on install. After selecting install, you'll be redirected to a new page. And this plugin is completely free. After tapping on that, you're going to tap on install once more. As you can see right here, if we were to go back to the e-com send page and scroll down, you can read the numerous positive reviews that persons have left. As you can see, it has a 5-star ratings. So we're going to go back to our main dashboard and you can see how it looks right here. Now all you'll need to do is go over to the left-hand menu option. Then you're going to tap on pop-ups. After selecting pop-ups, you're going to tap on create pop-up. Once you have tapped on create pop-up, you will see this appear, so you can see the different templates. So you can select whether you would like the spin to win or you would like to get this one, which is display the percentage off, and then the person would enter their email address. So you can select whichever one of these options that you would like to use. For this example, we are going to be using the spin to win option. Then we are going to tap on create pop-up. After tapping on create pop-up, you will be redirected to the editor page. On the editor page, the first thing you can do now, you could choose the percentage that you would like to give off. So for example, you can see 10% off right there. So if you'd like to give 10% off, you can simply tap on edit and you can change it. So you can change the percentage, as you can see right there, for each section. So you can see the breakdown, as you can see right there. So you can edit this if you want. Another thing that you can also do is you can change the name of the pop-up, and then we're going to simply tap on publish your pop-up right here. You can edit the content by tapping on content in the top left hand corner. From here you could edit the heading. You can also add a description if you want. If you would like to add more form fields, you can do that by tapping on add form fields. So for example, if you like to collect their phone number or you like to add marketing consent, you can do that by tapping on marketing consent right there. You can see that it can now be added. All we'll need to do is tick it and you can see that it has now been added right there. Another thing that you can also do is if you would like to change the primary button or change the color or so on, you can do that by tapping on edit right there. You can also tap on style. So if you would like to add your logo, you could do that by tapping on logo. You'll be able to upload your logo. You can also change the background color of the pop-up and so on. And once someone signs up, they'll be redirected to the success status. So you can tap on this and from here you can see the success page right here. You could also edit this. Once you're finished, you're going to tap on save in the top right hand corner. After tapping on save, from here you could tap on preview this pop-up and then it will redirect you to your home page. Once on the home page, you should see the pop-up. If it does not appear, what I would recommend you do is you are going to go back into your main dashboard and we are going to be enabling it. So all you'll need to do, you could tap on online store from the left hand menu option to enable it, or you could tap on enable app embed right here. Either way, you're going to be redirected to the editor page. Once on the editor page, you're going to go over to the top left hand corner and from there you're going to see app embeds and you simply want to toggle it on. Once you have toggled it on, you're going to tap on save, and once it has been saved, now If we were to tap on the three dots in the top left hand corner, then tap on view, once on our storefront, you will see that the pop-up now appears. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.